Hi, Greg Totten here with Totten Construction with another update on our personal home build. We've hired a trusted builder to manage our personal home. This gives us a chance to step back and focus on growing Totten Construction. This week, the site is getting cleaned up. Rough HVAC and plumbing are underway, and gas and electrical are up next. We're also getting the doors and windows installed, which means the house is really beginning to seal up before the hurricane season. This is a critical step for 3 reasons. 1, proper flashing and waterproofing protect against water intrusion. 2, hurricane-rated windows and doors keep the home safe during storms. And 3, energy-efficient openings reduce air leaks and lower utility bills. This is also the last chance to verify window and door openings before finishes go in. And you'll notice on the front entry of the home, we have 1 window on the 2nd floor that's out, and the reason for that is so we can load in drywall to the 2nd floor. So follow along as we build this home the right way, both as a general contractor and as the client.